In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the clipping mask. Now, before going to learn about the clipping mask, let's understand what does a clipping mask do. So suppose you have a container like this. Okay, this is a rectangle tool. So this is our container. Now think like a bucket. You have a bucket, you want to fill your water in that bucket. You don't want that your water should go outside. So in such a scenario, what we do, we use a clipping mask. Like we have this rectangle tool and we have this image. Okay, so what I want, this image, I want to contain this image in this rectangular box. I don't want that my image should not go anywhere except this box. So in a such case, what will I do? I will create a clipping mask. Like, so for that, what I have to do, place your image in the top of that. Okay, here, see, don't worry, this is not being seen because this is the below that layer. Okay, so now what we have to do is press on Alt and Option if you're using Mac, and see, when you press it, this changes into a rectangle box. Then click on it. See, our image has been contained in these boxes. So this is the first use. Now this is the main use of an clipping mark, that whenever you want to contain your image and whatever object in something, so in such scenario you use that clipping mask. Like, now what are the other use? Like if I talk, like, see, what I have did here is I have this image. Okay, I have this image. Now what I have done this, I have created some custom brush. Like, go to the B and underline it, create a new layer. Okay, and then press B and have some like this. Okay, now what I want, this image should not shown in a whole window. I just want to show this image in this. So in a such scenario, what I have to do, guess what, we are going to create a clipping mask. So first of all, to create a clipping mask, you have to put it in the top of the layer. Now press an Alt key and then see this changing into the rectangle box. Now click on it. Now you are done. Now you can move your image. So what happened here, your image has been contained in this pixelation, this area. So this is about the use of clipping mask. Now what is the next example? See, what I want to fix this image, I want to contain this image in this text. So in a such scenario, what I have to do, this is my image, put it in the top. Okay, and now press an Alt key, this will change into rectangle box, and then this, see, you have this a beautiful text effect. So this is a completely use of a clipping. So last but not the least, see, the kind of effect I want to see here is like this. Okay, so now how I have done this effect, to see what I have done, I have created 1 2 3 4 5 6 rectangle. Okay, now what I want my image, by this image, first remove the clipping marks, I want my this image to appear in that 6 boxes. So for that, what I have to do, place your image on the top of them. See, I have created that 6, you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now there is one point that you have to notice, the note on that, create a group of all the boxes. Okay, and then merge, then create a group and then create a clipping mask on it. Press an Alt key and then see this changes into a boxes. Now press your left button. Now you have this kind of effect. So to create this, you have to create 1 2 3 4 5 6 boxes, and above that you have to place your images, and then you can create a such kind of effect. So this is what you need to know about the clipping mask.